Okay, look what just came in the mail from Amazon. My two little half-year Stalogy A6 size notebooks. And I've already opened one up here. It's basically just a small notebook that has half a year's worth of pages. And what I like about this is it's not preset. So the year is not set. You just circle the day, the month, and the number, and you can write your journal or whatever it is you want to do. If you have a lot to write, you can ignore the page. And I intend to use this basically as a notebook and reflection journal. So I got this new size bullet journal, and I'm starting this in April, but I'm worried that I won't have enough space to do all my reflections and journaling because that's what takes up a lot of my space. And I also want to keep this nimble and light. And if I write a lot in it, it means I'm going to have to carry a lot with me. So my regular bullet journal style of stuff where I have my to-do list, my calendars, just managing my life, I'm going to keep in this little notebook. And then this Stalogy one here, very nice quality paper, by the way, absolutely fantastic. This is why Japanese stationery is so famous. I think it's Japanese. Just slides in here. And this, by the way, is the Motorim journal that fits the A4 size. Got my pen here, and I'm ready to go. And then when I run out of space, I just put another journal or notebook in here, and I do not need to carry all the stuff with me. Absolutely excited to start using this, and of course, I recommend.